Hi guys, I wanted to share a quick daycare tip with all of you. After lunchtime, when I clear the table, the kids go in and go to the bathroom, wash their hands, and then we all gather on our gold shaggy carpet right here, which is in my circle time area. And then I read a book to them, either It's Time to Sleep, My Love, or The Napping House. And then when I'm done reading, the kids come over to my story time basket right here, and they grab a book out of it and one of these little stuffed bears, and then they go and they cuddle up on their cots. And while I'm getting the dishwasher loaded and the table cleared off from lunchtime and all sanitized and everything, they're snuggling up, reading their little book, cuddling up with their little bears. And then when I'm done, I tell them, okay, it's time, to go to sleep now. And so they'll just take their book and slide it underneath their cot and cuddle up with their little bear. And then I turn music on, which you can probably hear in the background from Alexa, either ocean sounds or lullabies. So there's a little tip for you about what our nap time looks like.